BULL stock analysis and price predictions 4. This is Monday next week. Is Webull stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief short 1 minute video. Bro, with having done well over, you know what I mean, like 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing and making me money. It's all documented on my YouTube channel, by the way. It's not like, you know, it's a lie. I was with a sell side prediction, meaning that if there's a double break, I was willing to take it down. I saw the first break, second never came. Therefore, I kind of abandoned and never went sell because it didn't give me the rules, of course, and it went the complete opposite way. So with a moving market like that, going into this next week, I'm actually open-minded for buys. So I'm ready to pull the trigger and just get these quick little scalps for longs. But it's only really going to matter if it pulls down a bit lower and gives me the confirmation there. Right then and there. And if that's not met, well, it's not an immediate, you know, throw off. I'm going to keep you updated, so stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights and free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.